In today's video, I'm going to show you how to securely store HIPAA or HIPAA data in HubSpot CRM. Managing sensitive information can be tricky, but with a few simple steps, you can ensure compliance and safety. Start by opening your browser and going to HubSpot.com. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, click the Settings gear icon in the top menu. Scroll down and select Privacy and Consent. This section controls how your CRM handles sensitive data. Look for the option labeled Turn on Data Privacy Settings and click it. Confirm by selecting Yes. This activates the necessary privacy controls that help protect HIPAA data and maintain compliance. With these settings enabled, HubSpot provides tools to manage, audit, and safeguard sensitive information. Make sure all team members handling this data are aware of your privacy policies. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've taken essential steps to securely store HIPAA data in HubSpot CRM.